Welcome back to Poultry Farm Guide. Today we are talking about something that is super important for anyone raising chickens, whether you are a backyard farmer or runs a large poultry operation. Keeping our birds healthy can be a challenge, especially when it comes to respiratory issues like cough and sneezing. But do you know that there are some simple natural remedies right in our kitchens or gardens that can help? In today's video, we'll be diving into 5 roots and herbs that are great for treating cough in chickens. These natural remedies will not only prevent and treat cough in your chickens, but will as well improve the overall health of your flock. Without no further ado, let's get started. Let's kick off with a classic, garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for both humans and animals. When it comes to chickens, garlic is like a superfood. It is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, which make it perfect for treating respiratory issues like cough. Here is how you can use it. You can crush a few cloves of garlic and mix it with their drinking water or add it to their feed. Like 1 clove of garlic or 4 to 5 grams of crushed fresh garlic to a liter of drinking water. The key is to make sure they consume it consistently, especially when you notice the first signs of a cough. Garlic helps to boost their immune system, which means they will be less likely to catch infections in the first place. Now, let me know in the comments how many of you have already tried garlic for your chickens and what was your experience like. Next up, we have black pepper. This spice is more than just something to sprinkle on your food. For chickens, black pepper works wonder for their respiratory health. It has warming properties that helps clear congestion and boost circulation. If your chicken are coughing, this can be a simple and effective remedy. You can add ground black pepper to their feed. A small amount is enough to stimulate their respiratory system and clear up any mucus or blockages. I recommend starting with about a teaspoon mixed in their feed, depending on how many birds you have, or follow these inclusion rates below. For layers, you give about 0.03% to 0.04%, that is 300 to 400 grams per tons of feed. This is about 900 kilograms of feed. For broilers, it is about 0.02% to 0.05%, that is 200 to 500 grams per tons of feed. Do not overdo it with black pepper. While it is great for clearing up cough, too much can irritate their digestive system. Now, let's talk about ginger. Just like garlic and black pepper, ginger is something many of us already have at home. For chickens, ginger acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. When they are coughing, ginger helps soothe their respiratory tract and reduces any inflammation that could be causing the irritation. You can use fresh ginger or even powdered ginger, depending on what you have available. If you are using fresh ginger, cut it into small pieces and either mix it into their feed or crush it and add it to their water. For powdered ginger, about half a teaspoon mixed in their feed can do the trick, or 0.4 to 0.6% in their feed, which is about 4 to 6 grams of dry ginger powder to 1 kilogram of feed. Ginger can be a bit strong for some chickens, so if you notice they aren't too keen on it, try mixing it with a bit of honey or other herbs like turmeric. Have you tried ginger for your chickens before? Let me know in the comments below. Turmeric is another amazing herb that can work well for chickens, especially when they are dealing with a cough or respiratory issues. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce any swelling in the respiratory system and clear out infections. Adding a bit of turmeric to their feed not only helps with cough, but also boosts their overall immune system. In layers, it is recommended to use turmeric at a rate of 0.1%, that is 1 kilogram per ton of feed, while in broilers at a rate of 0.15%, that is 1.5 kilogram per ton of feed. If you are already using turmeric for yourself, why not try it for your chickens too? And do not worry about the yellow color. Your chickens will love it. Last but definitely not the least, we have oregano. Oregano is a powerhouse when it comes to natural antibiotics. It is one of those herbs that not only helps with cough, but can also prevent other diseases in your flock. Oregano has strong antimicrobial properties, so if your chickens are fighting off a cough, this is a great herb to incorporate. You can use dried oregano or fresh, whichever you have on hand. Just sprinkle some into their feed. If you want to go to the extra mile, you can also make a tea out of oregano and offer it to your chickens as drinking water. This one is a favorite among many poultry farmers because of how effective it is. Do you have oregano in your garden? If so, it is time to share some with your chicken. If you are interested to learn how to treat stubborn cough in your chickens, please watch the next video on your screen. See you there. Sam is out. Bye.